Hello traders, the strategy of pipsing or volatility grabbing has become very popular. If earlier it was perceived with skepticism, today more and more traders are making progress in it thanks to high precision terminals like CSCALP. Thanks to the data that the terminal gives us, we can use this strategy sometimes even without looking at the chart. There are a lot of aspects in this topic, pipsing strategy, but let's look at the basics. Pipsing is a strategy for making very short trades on very high volatility. Our task is to select the most volatile instruments. We go to markets, then in futures. And here we see the most volatile instruments. From the selected ones, we leave only those where a minute candle averages at least 0.5 or even 1% of movement. We go to minute time frame on the trading view. We take the ruler to measure the candle. One candle is about 1%. That's good for pipsing. Further, all our attention is focused on finding a point on which the price will react instantly. There will be our high precision entry point. Leverages are used here depending on your trading system, let's say up to 10x leverage, while using the shortest possible stop loss from 0.1 to 0.3%. If for most strategies this stop is unacceptably short and doesn't allow the trade to breathe, that is, it guarantees us hitting this stop loss by the price, then in pipsing we usually rely on such areas, mainly in the order book, not the chart, from which the price bounces back with a high accuracy, with very high probability. That's why we use big leverages and the very short stop loss here. The ideal situation could be the sharp breakout towards the zone, which stands out both graphically and the clusters indicate the volumes that once took place here. We open the position in the opposite direction and work out this setup. Another factor may be placed huge limit orders on which price reacts immediately. It's important to understand that in this strategy, the main emphasis is made on the risk management. The stop loss is transferred to break-even point immediately after the trade is in plus. We fix from 0.3% per trade, and if we are lucky enough, we leave small part further with a stop loss in break-even point. This strategy requires a good sense of order book reading, and from 200 short trades can be made per trading session. Please, if you have some questions, ask them in the comments below. Thank you for your attention. The video was prepared by the CSCALP Trading Terminal team.